I am going to do tutorial on add featured channels for humongous idiot. So, first you go to your YouTube channel. You go to customize channel. You wait for it to load if you have a bad computer. Go to customization and layout, which is the default thing, so I don't have to explain that. You click add section. I am going to be adding the stupid idiot that had no idea how to do this. Stupid idiot. And put the title right there. Any channel. I'm gonna put his channel. Done. Then you can move it wherever you want. I'm going to put it at the top to humiliate him. Then, after you've published it, you close out and see this new thing. You reload it. It may take a little time before it shows up for everyone, but it will show up for you. Stupid idiot. If you like this video, subscribe and tap bell because I require numbers for validation. This video is over. If you are watching this video soon after it was released, then you are going to be happy. I am live on Twitch probably.